Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we are diving into a complete beginner's guide of ClickUp. This is one of the most powerful all-in-one productivity platforms out there. So whether you are managing projects, tracking goals, or collaborating with a team, ClickUp has something for you. I will walk you through everything from setting up your workspace to creating tasks, docs, and even automations. So let's get started. First of all, you have to visit clickup.com. Here you can see the address and the logo. You just simply need to go there. Okay. So ClickUp is more than just a task manager, it is a full project management suite. You can use it to track tasks, manage teams, set goals, create documents, whiteboards, dashboards, and much more. So think of it as your central hub for work and replacing multiple apps in one sleek tool. So it will save you a bunch of time also. So as I told you, head over to ClickUp.com and tap on to get started. It is free, and if you have used ClickUp previously, then you can simply tap on to login, and you can log in using your previous accounts. For me, I'm gonna tap on to get started for free. Now you have to enter your work email to ClickUp. So simply go there and let's copy the email address and paste it to ClickUp. Now let's tap on to next. So there we go. Now we can either use your email account, also you can continue with your Gmail account like Google. For me, I'm gonna use my Gmail account. So go to your Gmail account and tap continue right here. So wait until the verification is complete. Now ClickUp will ask you some basic questions. Just enter them according to your preference. So for example, it is asking me that what would I like to use with ClickUp for. You can choose work, personal, and etc. After clicking onto one option, it will redirect you to the next question automatically, and if you want to go back and change the answer, so this is how you can do it. So let's tap on the next. Now let's answer the question which they are asking, that what would I like to manage. For example, I'm gonna tap onto marketing, then I'm gonna tap next. How did you hear about us, they're asking it. So I'm gonna tap onto YouTube, and then you have to enter your email address, or you can also paste them. So let's paste the email address. So basically, as you can see, my email address is not work email address, so it is now not just logging in. Now ClickUp is asking me that if I use any of these tools like Google Drive, Excel, and CSV. So I'm gonna just tap onto Google Drive, Excel, CSV, Dropbox, Figma, GitHub, and Todoist. So that's it. Now let's tap onto next. So now you have to answer that which features are you interested in ClickUp. So I'm going to tap onto automations, dashboards, and clips. I think they are enough. Now let's tap onto next again. Now let's tap onto finish. So we are almost ready to go to ClickUp's dashboards, and there we go. As you can see, we are in the ClickUp's dashboard right here. So you can, if you want to, you can check out this video of them, but for now I'm going to tap on to next. So you can also translate your workspaces into tasks using ClickUp, the building blocks of ClickUp. So let's tap on to continue. You want to check out views and other options like inboxes, views, all of them. Okay, now let's tap on to get started. So here we go. You can see the ClickUp dashboard. Simply go and tap onto these options right here. You can see at the left options, you can see this inbox, replies, posts, follow-ups, activity, and drafts. Okay, as you can see, and here we can see the calendar of your ClickUp. You can use its AI brain, like you can ask, write, or something to it, and you can use it. you can see the dashboard of ClickUps here, right here, and you can tap on the clips and you can tap on to start recording right here. So you can start recording right from here. Simply tap on to start recording and you can use your full screen window or current tab. For me, I'm going to tap on the window. Okay, no, let's tap on to current tab. Okay, and then you can start recording from it. You can allow it to use your microphones if you wish to. For now let's tap on to, okay, let's record something. Okay, let's start recording. So as you can see, tap on to allow. So it has started recording my calendar, my screen. So now let's stop sharing, and there we go. You can see the video right here. Let's turn it on.
My
So
calendar.
you can see, okay, this is how you can use it. So that's it. Now you can go to mode and you can check out your my tasks, themes like teams. You can also tap on the join team and you can join a team. You can also tap on to mention and other things. From here you can check out analytics also. And lastly, if you wish to, you can create a team also from right here. Tap on to create team, and here you go. As you can see, this is $7 a month. Like if you want to create a team, it will cost you $7 per month, and you can also choose unlimited if you wish to, like $10, and it is unlimited per month. Okay, you can see all of this option and tap on to upgrade. So there we go. This is how you can use ClickUps. You can ask its question. You can connect apps if you wish to. For example, you can connect apps like Box, Dropbox, Figma, Google Drive, GitHub, and etc. For example, I'm going to tap onto Google Drive, and you can tap onto if it's for all members or for personal use. Then tap next, and you have to log in using your account. So that's it. Now tap onto your Gmail account. Now tap continue. Then you have to choose your Dropbox and etc. Now tap continue, and that's it. There we go. The job is done. So that's it. This is how you can do it. So if this video was helpful for you, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Also, you can create new tasks right from here, and you can add tasks from here. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and comment down below that what videos do you want to see in the coming time. Goodbye.